Have you ever wondered how you could disable the glass effect on iOS 26? Maybe you don't like the way it looks, or maybe it has become really hard to read things on your phone. So if I go to utilities, it might look like this. Let's say you don't like this glass effect. Well, don't worry, I got you. So first thing that you're going to do is you're going to open up your settings app on your iPhone. Then you're going to keep scrolling until you see something which says accessibility. Then keep scrolling once more. Now under vision, choose display and text size. Then what we're looking for is reduce transparency. You're going to toggle that on. So now if we go back and we open our control center, you'll notice that the glass effect has been reduced and the visibility is much clearer. So if we go back to utilities, you see it has reduced that glassy effect that iOS 26 comes with. Just a quick reminder, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, then consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel, because I make tutorial videos every single week. Alright, let's continue. Alright, so let's say that the visibility is poor when trying to look at your apps because of the glass effect. Well, what you're going to do is you're going to press and hold on an empty space within your home area. Then you're going to go to the top left and choose Edit, then choose Customize, and you're going to choose a darker theme. This way, it's going to make it much more easier to read and look at. And there you go.